Yeah, someone here wants to marry you right away, agad-agad, right off the bat. Gusto kitang pakasalan, yan, no? Sino ba to, no? Parang nagiging sigurado na siya agad-agad dito, yan. Pero with the King of Cups energy, mukhang hindi niya pa nai-splook ang kanyang feelings and emotions. Not because hindi niya yan gustong sabihin dito, pero parang meron ditong mga blockage. Kasi tingnan mo, kung papansin mo, nasa gitna siya dito ng small island, no? And kailangan makatawid siya 'no, doon sa pangpang 'no. So whatever the case may be, parang meron ditong mga blockages pa 'no, na hindi niya rito, nagagawa na mai-splook pa sa ngayon ang kanyang emotions for you. So alamin natin dito 'no, sino ba 'to na parang kakaloka 'no? Parang, um, gusto ka niyang pakasalan now na, gano'n yung energy, hmm. Gusto ka niyang pakasalan now na, 'no? Okay, let's go ahead, no? I'm also curious. No. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Let's just lay all the energies first sa ating table before we dive mo. Yala. Yeah. Okay? Before we dive more into this reading of yours, no, the devil, right at the main energy heart of this person's reading. Yan, no? I think this is someone here dealing sa inyo, connecting more likely, no, sa inyong energy. And let me talk more about this person here after laying all the energy sa ating table. Nagugulat kasi ako sa mga sinasabi niya about sa'yo. No? Don't worry because this is not something here negative about you. Pero maaring magulat ka rin sa paano kanya rito bigyan ng description, no? Or paano kanya rito i-describe. Okay? Yeah. Like out of this world. Lover's card energy, yeah, I know. Okay. Hmm. So, hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. Ngayon, nawala tayo ditong gender by lalaki LGBT. You're all welcome here. Pwede niyo pong i-flip yung roles if you want since this is general reading. And of course, no, at the end of the day, palaging meron kayong free will na free nyo ring gamitan 'no, siyempre naman. So yun nga mga babes 'no, nakita ko rito that there is someone here, masyado siyang namamangha sa'yo, Ace of Wands energy because this person here is viewing you as the Queen of Wands energy. Yan 'no, napaka-powerful ng mga pakahulugan 'no, at kung paano kanya rito i-describe 'no, sobrang out of this world with the presence of world card energy. Pero bago ko sa inyo i-booking ano man yung mga gusto niya ritong sabihin, gusto ko lamang sabihin sa inyo that this person here is embodying this devilish Knight of Cups energy. What does that mean, Miss Yan? This person here fantasize about you and him sharing a love story, no? This is someone here na hindi kayo magka-in relationship at posibleng wala pang koneksyon sa inyo. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, hindi pa kayo magkakilala or pwede naman yung iba sa inyo, no, is hindi pa kayo nag-uusap, no? So, nakita ko dito na itong energy na to, no, nagde-daydream siya or nananaginip siya rito ng gising, no? Kasi sobra yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo, no? Nung unang beses ka pa lang niya nakita, iba na yung naramdaman niya for you. Sobrang namangha itong tao na 'to 'no, like this person here sees you as this beautiful Queen of Wands energy. Wala tayong gender dito mga babes 'no, pero kaya ako kanina react ng react habang nile ang ating energy sa ating table because this person here almost gives me this type of description, like you have the face of an angel and your body is like the body of a goddess or a god. Yan 'no, ang taray nun mga babes 'no, ibig sabihin dinescribe niya kayo bilang perfect, 'no? Perfect, 'no? Parang kayo ito, saan ba kayo nanggaling? 'Yan 'no, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, out of this world kung paano niya kayo i-describe, 'no? This person here is becoming more obsessed and obsessed and obsessed with you. 'Yan 'no, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to mga babes, 'no? You have the face of an angel and your body is like a wonderland, 'no? Like that of a Greek god goddess. Wow. I repeat, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but this person here is the beholder. So this person here sees you as someone who is, wow, I've never seen such a beauty kagaya mo. Yan, oh. Whether you are a guy, whether you are a woman, whether you are LGBT, this person here sees you as someone who has the face of an angel and the body of a goddess or a god. Wow! Dun pa lang mga bes, like, wow, I'm stunned 'no, wala tayo rito sa Mobile Legend pero parang nahagisan tayo rito 'no, ng parang pampatigil sa ating kinatatayuan at hindi natin alam ang ating gagawin. Wow! So this person here, hindi lang yon ang dinescribe niya sa'yo 'no. Kaya kanya dinescribe as somewhat here perfect na remember physical pa lang yung dinescribe niya rito mga babes 'no, yung ugali ninyo tumurno rin daw 'no. So naramdaman niya rito kahit hindi niya pa kayo rito kilala in person yung iba sa kanila 'no, this person here is viewing as your attitude of the Queen of Cups energy, someone who is very intuitive, someone who is a very loving, hindi makabasag pinggan, someone who helps without asking in return. Maybe you own here a social media account. Might be you have here Facebook page, or maybe you're doing here something online. Maybe you're a social media influencer, but doesn't have to be. But maybe you do have one because it feels like you are kind of famous in what you do, in your craft, in your work, and this person sees you. At nung unang beses kanyang nakita, namangha na siya like, wow, saan ka nang galing? Nahulog ka ba rito dahil naputol ang pakpak mo? Are you an angel na galing sa langit? Alam mo dito parang halos gusto niya na ritong mag-pick up lines ng mga babes, 'no? Pick up lines, 'no, na parang galing ka ba sa langit? 'Yan 'no, mukha ka kasing anghel, eh, yung mga gano'n. So whatever the case may be, this person here sees you as somewhat here super. Dine-describe ka niya rito yeah, like nag-exceed ka dun sa kanyang total ideal type sa isang person 'no. And this person here nung makita ka niya rito 'no, parang siya 'to na na-realize niya, "Eh, ito yung taong gusto kong pakasalan. Ito yung tao na hinahanap ko rito." Pero for some reason parang hindi siya tao. Wow! Yan 'no, parang hindi ka daw isang tao kasi para kang isang anghel, babe. Para kang isang diyosa 'no, para kang isang Diyos. Okey? Parang gusto niyang itanong dito, sino ka at saan ka nanggaling? Isa ka bang human being? Wow! This person here feels so amazed the first time na nakita ka niya up until right at this very moment 'no, habang ako ay nagto-talk about this person here, still the same. This person here is becoming more obsessed and obsessed with you. Can't stop looking at your photos, maybe saving it sa kanyang own phone, no? And baka naka-wallpaper pa kayo rito, no? And I do pick up right here that other people as well, nakikita na rin ito, and then they're asking about you. Who is this girl? Who is this guy? I've never met him or her, no? Hindi pa namin nakikilala 'to, pre, sino ba 'to? Sis, hindi pa namin nakita 'to, sino ba 'to? 'Yan 'no, 'yan. And then this person here 'no, hindi siya rito masyadong nagto-talk about you 'no, one, kasi hindi pa nga gano'n karami yung information na alam niya about you, and then two, hindi siya rito masyadong nagto-talk about you, or parang halos hindi ka pa nga niya pinapakita sa iba because ayaw niya 'no, na magustuhan ka rin nila. Wow, 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 'no? This person here is also becoming greedier and greedier right here. Like, ayaw ka niya ritong i-share kasi baka mamaya madagdagan pa yung kakumpetensya niya rito because you look like an angel and a goddess as well. So, yeah, let me tell you guys, no? This person here, hindi lang siya yung ganyan yung pakahulugan sa inyo. Marami rin dito yung ganyan, no? But this person here is yung pinakagusto ritong kumonek sa'yo. Like, this person here crave for you. I wanna know this person more. Gusto ko mapalapit sa kanya. Pero paano? Four of Cups energy. I do not know what to do. Ayoko naman na masyado magtanong-tanong kasi baka magustuhan rin nila itong si Collective. Ayoko magtanong with other people kasi baka mamaya masyado ng maraming makaalam pa lalo, mas maraming blockage na mahirapan akong makapasok sa mundo ni Collective. Like, yay! 'Di ba? So, kung sino man tayo, not exaggerating this, but this person did. And I'm just the carrier of the messages of this person here. Ito ang laman ng kanyang thoughts, no? Yeah, it looks like this person here is nababaliw na, yeah, this person here is, yeah, going crazier and crazier over you, no? And this person here do not want to share you with other people because alam nila na baka magustuhan ka rin nitong mga to, no? So, like, this person here is, keeping it more likely sa sarili niya, keeping it more private if ever, no? Pero this person here is searching for you. Searching for you kung hindi niya alam kung ano pa yung other informations about you, or searching for ways kung paano dito mapapalapit sa'yo. This person here is definitely with the World card energy, 8 of Wands, no? Doing everything right here to get closer to you, to get to know more about you. Who is this individual? Where you came from? And what have you done with me? Yan. Ano daw ginawa mo sa kanya dito kasi parang pakiramdam niya dito, he or she is under your spell because of your beauty, because of your immense handsomeness right here. This person here cannot stop chasing you. This person here cannot stop looking at your photos and images. This person here cannot stop fantasizing about you and him together. But these are all in his or her fantasies right here because this person here cannot get close to you right now because he or she do not know where you are, where you came from, and other informations about you. And if this person here already knows where you are, he or she cannot make a move to get close to you because there are also other competitions, other rivals right here. And yeah, this person here, yung kanyang energy since nung pinakaunang araw kanyang nakita is still the same. Mas tumitindi pa nga dito. Wow! I don't know who I'm talking to right now, but I do see that you really have that glow in you. May pagmamahal ka sa mga hayop, nakita ko rin dito. Maybe you own a pet, cat, dog, hamster, fish, rabbit, or any animal right here. Or maybe you do not own a pet, but this is you. You are someone na malambing, okay, like a pet. Or maybe this is you, meron kang respect, no, sa lahat ng mga living things. Yan, no. Hindi kayong klase ng energy na pag may nakita kang, langgam tatapakan mo na hindi gano'n, 'no? This is you, may pagpapahalaga ka with every living things, even with plants and trees, 'yan, 'no? So, nakita ko dito that you really are someone here who is having this type of glow in you. Like when you walk inside the room, everybody will look at you and they will admire you. Yeah. The crowd will look at you because of your intense glow and positive vibration energy that you're giving out. Yan. So, this person right here with the Two of Wands energy is searching for you. This person here, medyo napapagod na siya, no? Sa paghahanap sa'yo dito or pag-iisip ng mga strategies right here, no, on how to find you or how to get close to you. Pero hindi siya dito tumitigil, no? Kasi pag obsessed ang isang tao, ibig sabihin malaki ang kanyang desire to get that. Okay? Whatever happens, I will not quit. Yun yung energy niya. And this person here is giving me the vibe that this person here will search for you and will not stop up until he or she finds you. Yan, no? Huwag kayong magalala, hindi naman siya yung klase ng energy na kikidnapin na lang kayo, no? Or whatever. At tatangayin, no? Sa kanyang place or mga eme-eme, no? Hindi. This person here is someone, no? Na nakikita ka as fragile, you know. So, this person here will definitely handle you with care, lalo na kapag nagkaroon na rito, no, ng chance na magkakilanlan kayong dalawa, no. Hindi lang siya yung ganito sa'yo, pero siya yung pinaka nagsa-stand out kasi siya yung pinaka obsessed sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung sino itong kadil ninyo pero may mga nakikita akong initials dito na maaari ninyong tandaan in even numbers. I am seeing number 7 right here and even number 4. So maybe this is his or her birth date right here or might be special number for him or her. Or maybe these are your birth dates, no? So just take only what resonates when it comes to letters. Let me give you what I'm seeing. Letter E, letter N, letter S, letter D, letter L, and letter F. Yan, no? So, yan mga babes, no? Wala tayo ditong gender, no? But maybe those are initials of baka yan na pala yung, ano, no? Isa sa mga letters sa address niyo. Or baka initials sa name niya, no? Might be the first letter of his or her name, or maybe yours. Just take how this resonates. But this guy, this woman right here is becoming more and more obsessed with you. Grabe yung pagpapakahulugin niya sa'yo, no? Ang iyong face is the face of an angel, isang anghel, and your body is like the body of a great goddess or god. Wow. Wow! Eh, ibig sabihin 'no, parang wala ka ditong, hindi magandang anggulo 'no, kahit yung side profile mo na is talagang, have na have, 'di ba, for this person right here 'no. Yeah, you look like someone here 'no, na parang perfect in his or her eyes 'no, at hindi lang sa eyes niya 'no, marami pang iba, 'yan 'no. Kaya I'm getting also more curious and curious about you. You look like someone here who is perfect. Yan. So, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Please do check out other channel if gusto mo dun tumambay. Sana love and light. Annyeong.